I never thought milk could be fried and eaten. If you have children at home, be sure to keep it as crispy and crunchy. It is so delicious. Prepare 500 grams of milk, 30 grams of white sugar, and 70 grams of potato starch in an empty bowl. Stir well with my left hand. Then pour directly into the pot. Turn on low heat. Stir and freeze while boiling, as shown in the video, once viscous. Pour it into a mold, let it cool, and refrigerate for 2 hours once solidified. Cut it into long strips like this. Breadcrumbs must be in this yellow color. First, coat them with a layer of egg mixture. Then coat them with breadcrumbs. Fry at 60% oil temperature in a pot for 30 seconds before removing. The fried fresh milk made in this way is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and it is still delicious to take one bite at a time.